my god, it looks so good,
Doesn't
Joss.
it match perfectly?
Yeah, it does.
Cover my whole body in this. Please, head to toe. Drew!
Jocelyn!
Hi!
It's been a minute since we've done this together.
I've really missed you, and I just have to say I'm so glad you dressed up in a costume for me today.
I did not mean to look like Kill Bill today, Uma Thurman. I was like, oh, cute, yellow jumpsuit, and then everybody's like, Kill Bill, Kill Bill, and I'm like, oh, okay.
What the hell are we doing today, Drew?
Let's find out.
What do you hope it is?
I just hope it's something to do with glitter. You know I love glitter.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know.
Herpes of the craft world
I love
never
them.
goes away.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Lancôme counter, 2 p.m.
So
Okay,
we're going to the Lancôme counter
right,
at 2 p.m.? Is this gonna be some sort of twist, like we get to the Lancôme counter and they like abduct us or something?
I don't know what that means. If it's 2 p.m., we gotta hurry up. If that's our appointment time.
Oh, that's in 14 minutes. Wait, where are we going? Okay, well, let's go. Okay, you guys, so we just got to Century City Mall. Also, we're not alone. Look who stalked us all the way here.
I couldn't trust them to do this all by themselves. Chaperone.
Yeah, we definitely need a chaperone.
Jill knows what we're doing. We have no idea what's going on, but we're headed inside to figure it out. Hi, ladies. How are you? I'm Jocelyn. I'm Gabriella, but you can call me Gabby. Nice to meet you. Okay, so we obviously know we're on the Lancôme counter. Gorgeous, but we have don't really know what else we're doing.
We have a custom foundation. It's called Teint Particulier.
Really? So it like actually matches your skin?
It will be exactly like your skin tone.
Let me tell you, it is so hard to find my exact skin tone. Until Fenty came out, I was like, well, I'm gonna be yellow and I'm gonna be like brown.
You're gonna be surprised at the color is gonna be identical to your skin tone. I'm gonna scan your skin in 3 different locations. You will tell me like where you like your skin undertone, and then it just creates the color.
It looks so fun. It looks so futuristic. I'm so happy we're doing this right after eating so much candy and I have like 500,000 breakouts.
Can you like pick like a specific type of foundation for your skin type? Like if I have dry skin or she has oily skin or whatever?
So we're gonna ask you a couple questions before we get started.
Okay.
We're gonna ask you what type of coverage you're looking for and what type of skin you have. The machine will actually produce your foundation perfect to your skin type.
Oh no, we're about to unleash the beast of what I actually look like. Get excited. This is Nicole, by the way. She's just joined us. So I usually like to get a foundation that has like full coverage to cover like any like of the sunspots I have, but that's still really sheer and not dry. That's the main thing. And also my face is always a different color as my body. So I'm usually trying to match it. I'm a mess. Just make me okay.
We can give you a medium coverage since you have a full coverage and a sheer. You can give you something in the middle.
Okay, great.
Or if you want to try out one of the other variations, our entire concept behind the Hudson blend is really about your natural beauty and enhancing. And so giving you like a second skin type of foundation is what it's all about.
Great. As long as I look 14, sign me up.
How would you describe your skin?
It's really oily.
Okay.
Because I used to have like horrible acne like in college and high school, and that's why I left like all these like dark spots. And like after I have foundation on for like a day, it's like super shiny.
What type of coverage are you looking for? Sheer?
Full,
medium?
girl.
Okay.
Full.
You got it.
Cover me like a sheet over a mattress.
Drew, I want you to look at your skin.
Okay.
And then tell me like where you like your skin undertone. Wherever I'm gonna scan, that's the color it's gonna create.
Can it match my neck? Can I say that?
Yeah.
Okay. Because that's what I always find myself doing. Like I'll put my foundation on, and then I'm like,
Okay, and you bring
blend
it,
it.
you blend it down.
look at this thing. It's like Inspector Gadget. Does that read my temperature? It feels like it does.
You're hot, girl. You're hot.
You're hot.
This is how you get sorted into your Harry Potter house.
So we got a good scan.
How did I do that? That's crazy.
Wait, is that like your color?
Yeah,
That's crazy. How does it know?
Oh my god, it's going into the machine. It's going into the machine.
Oh, Drew, it's been birthed.
Oh, my baby's here. She has 10 fingers and 10
So this is how it looks before it's been mixed. Put it in our shaker. I like to mix it a couple times just to make sure we get the true color.
my god, it's like mixing. So my baby is born, but she's not fully like concocted. She's standing in the incubator. This is the incubator stage.
Wow, I mean, it's really whipping around in there. Moment of truth.
It's very exciting. That is the longest cotton swab I've ever seen.
Kind of scary.
Am I the mother? What's the verdict? Does she look like me? You guys are getting a very intimate look because I just broke out so bad, and so this is like, tell me the truth.
I think you're the mother.
I'm the mother? Oh my god, good.
You have a girl. It looks really good. That machine knows what's up. It looks perfect.
Yeah?
What do you think?
That's crazy. It's close. Wow.
Isn't that wild?
Wow. Yeah. This is like good light too. Okay, machine. I see you, machine.
Let's see, like a little back and forth.
I'm not gonna make eye contact with you because I think it's creepy for makeup artists when you like stare them in the eye.
Ooh, looking good.
It's time to name my baby. And I'm really nervous because like usually people have like 9 months to think about this stuff. Like, do I go with like a crazy celebrity name, or do I go with like she can get a job? But I also like unisex names because my name is Drew. How about Dylan? I like that.
I thought you were gonna go with foundation with a double D.
No, that's my thing. She can't have a double D also. Oh god, now she has a double D because her name is Dylan Dorsey.
Oh.
We can share the double D. She's my kid. I guess I can share with.
Okay, so how many Nordstrom stores have this at the Lancôme counter?
So currently we have 19 stores across the U.S. with Nordstrom, and then we actually have 5 additional stores opening up in just a few weeks.
Oh, exciting!
So we'll have 24.
And how many different like color options or formulations are there?
So with our custom blend, there's over 8,000 shades to choose from, and there's over 72,000 possibilities with your coverage and your skin type preference, besides our shade range as well.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
Time to scan.
I just like it to like kind of match my neck more, not as dark as my body, but whatever you think.
Okay, but
Just not Casper, you know?
got it. So now we've got your shade here. And we are going to find out whether you've been wearing the right kind of undertone for your foundation.
Definitely not. Don't even know what that word means, really.
So this is going to be our refined page for the undertone. It's
Okay.
suggesting, based on the areas we scanned, you are a neutral warm undertone.
Great.
So that means you're going to have slightly more yellow in your base.
What is Drew?
She was a warm.
Oh, we're both warm?
Oh my god, we're in the same house and you're
She was
Potter.
So in a minute you're going to start to see the different pigments that are being dispensed. So we've got the colors red, yellow, and black.
That's my special color, or as they would say at Lancôme, le Teint Particulier.
Oh my god, you put clothes on her.
There you go.
Holy crap, Dylan. Look at you.
And then I'm going to put your label. This is what your label looks like. It has a complexion ID, so that's all you would need to replenish your foundation. And we keep a record of it here.
Putting her in the crib.
Yeah.
She's getting her social security number. Why am I associating everything with babies? Look at her.
There it is, the finished product.
She's beautiful.
Congratulations. So happy for you.
Can I hold her like this?
Yeah.
She's beautiful. Everyone has to wash their hands before they touch her. It's getting weird.
Here it comes.
There she
Oh my
is,
god,
Drew.
your baby's so cute.
Oh my gosh. So do you recommend putting the makeup directly on your face, right on the brush, or like you did on your hand?
I would definitely use your hand to pump your product. So once we finish packaging up your bottle, you're going to have a pump, and you can pump it onto the back of your hand, and then you can control how much product you're putting on your skin
Okay.
versus putting it on your brush.
I see.
Oh my god, yeah.
Does it look amazing?
It does. It looks amazing, as you said.
Amazing.
It does.
And when do you put the foundation on? After eye makeup, after everything, or do you put it on first?
That's
What do you
really,
do?
that's a preference. I do whatever I feel like that day. If I'm going to do something really dramatic with my eye, I'll do my eyes first and then my foundation.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it just depends on like how much time I want to spend.
What about concealer or foundation first?
Ooh, good question.
I definitely do concealer second and I do my foundation first.
That's what everybody says.
Am I the only one who does it wrong and that's why I have to always ask that question?
I don't feel like there's like a wrong or a right. I feel like if that's what's comfortable for you, then So with this foundation, it is a water-based formula, which means that when you're blending it, you want to apply a certain amount on certain sections. You don't want to do like little dots all over. You want to just work on one side at a time.
Oh, I see.
Because it dries very quickly. Yeah.
Oh, that's actually really good to know.
Your makeup looks so good.
Does it?
Give you your mirror so that you can tell us what you
Oh
think
my god.
of your shades.
So I was gonna say it looks like a professional did this, and then I was like, because one did. This looks great, and I like that it's so sheer, but it still has like a good amount of coverage.
Oh my god, it looks so good,
Doesn't
Josh.
it match perfectly?
Yeah, it does.
Cover my whole body in this. Please, head to toe.
Do we love it?
I'm obsessed. It looks great. I wanna
So now that we have finished your custom blend, now we have to name your custom bottle.
I think I want to go with a D as well.
Yay.
And like something unisex, I was thinking Dilbert. Really like rolls off the tip of my tongue. Dilly for short, like Lily, but Dilly. What do you think?
Dilly's cute.
But Dilbert for long.
You know,
D-I-L-B-E-R-T. Dilbert.
Dilbert it is.
That what Drew would have gone with, it seems.
So here's your custom
Oh
label,
my gosh, Dilbert.
and then your complexion ID number that we have issued for your formula that we made today. So if you want to replenish in the future, that's the code that you'll need to replenish.
Oh wow, so if I come in and I'm like, can you make me Dilbert? They'll need more information?
They'll
or-
need more than the Dilbert, yeah.
It makes me uncomfortable every time she says it.
Drew, what was my color say?
Dilly?
And I like that it has an expiration date. I think that's very important. Ooh, cute. Oh, here comes Dilly.
See, I can deal with Dilly. I think Dilbert's like, it reminds me of nipple, and I hate that word.
Nipple? It doesn't sound anything alike. Dilbert sounds like nipple? That's like the same thing as Will and Billiam.
Ooh.
Call
Oh,
it Dilly.
nice technique. Gorge. Oh, that looks great.
All right.
Cool.
There is your perfect shade of foundation.
This was so cool. I honestly had no idea this even existed until right now.
It's a game changer, truly.
Truly, I mean, where was my life before Dilbert? I'll never know again.
You said Dilbert. Stop it, Jocelyn. But you guys, seriously, for people who can never find your shade, this is ideal because they literally put your little baby into the dispenser and it just comes out. And then,
Exactly. Wow, so what a journey, Drew.
such a journey, such a journey.
Before today, we didn't even know Dylan or Dilbert.
It's still not Dilbert, it's Dilly, okay? But no, we didn't know them. I'm happy we met them.
Me too.
I'm really happy we met them.
Thank you so much to our new friends from Lancôme for showing us our Teint Particulier.
Stop saying taste, Jocelyn.
I'm trying to pronounce it correctly, but I can't. Anyways, you guys, let us know what you thought of this episode. Be sure to hit the comment section and tell us if you like Dylan or Dilbert better.
Or Dilly. Let us know.
Or Dilly. And thanks so much for watching.
You guys, and subscribe.
Yeah, you guys, subscribe, please, so that we can keep doing more fun stuff like this.
All the things. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching, and if you're really curious about what is happening at Clevver, you can click in this box right there.
Yeah, it's been a crazy week, but you guys, we are still here, and if you want the latest, it's right over here. Also, subscribe, would you?